In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Outlook draft email in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start writing an email, close it without sending, and safely keep it in your drafts so you can return to it later without losing any work. First, open Outlook. This can be the Outlook desktop app on Windows or Mac. Give it a moment to load your mailboxes and folders so everything is up to date. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the account where you want the draft to live. Next, click New Mail to compose a new email. Depending on your version, this button might say New Email or New Message, but it's typically at the top of the Outlook window. A compose window will open, separate from your main inbox view. Go ahead and enter the recipient, subject, or message if needed. You don't have to finish the entire email right now. Even a partially written message can be saved as a draft. A helpful tip here, adding a subject makes it easier to recognize your draft later. If you leave the subject blank, Outlook will usually show the first line of your message as the draft's title. And don't worry, your draft will save even if you haven't added a recipient yet. When you're ready to pause, click the close button, the X in the compose window. On Windows, this is in the top right of the message window. On Mac, it's the red close button in the top left. Be careful not to click discard, which deletes the message, or send, which sends it immediately. The close action is what triggers the save prompt. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to save your changes. Click save. This confirms that Outlook should keep your unfinished email. If you accidentally click don't save, the content will be lost. In some newer versions of Outlook, you might notice it auto-saves as you type. If you don't see a prompt, it likely already saved the draft, but will still verify in the next step. Your email is now in the drafts folder. Look at the folder list on the left side of Outlook and select drafts. You should see your message there using either your subject line or the first line of the body as its title. To continue working later, just open it from drafts, finish your edits, and click send when ready. If you tend to save often, make it a habit to glance at drafts to confirm your message is there before closing Outlook.